Welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. Today's episode, you can use these for an appetizer, a side dish, whatever you want to use it for. But I'm going to be making baked potato slices. These are quick and simple. So first what you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And also have about 4 or 5 russet potatoes. So what you want to do, I'm just going to cut off the ends here and set those to the side. And you want to cut these in about 3/4 inches wide. Let's get those cut up. Yeah, we'll cut that too. You just want to place them over here in your dish. Your casserole dish, whatever you're gonna be baking those in. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cut up some more. Get them all diced up. Placed in your dish. Cut that one up a little bit more. It's kind of thick. Yeah, that's perfect. And I think that's enough. So I used about 2 potatoes. I think that's enough right there. Okay, so now what you want to do, I have a little bit of vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil that you want, but I'm going to use vegetable oil. And I just want to coat these potatoes. You don't have to use a lot of oil, just a little bit. Okay, and you want to flip these over and do the same to the other side. Okay, so just coat the other side just like you did the other side. And just lightly coat it with vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever type of oil you want to use. Okay. So now I have some kosher salt. So I just want to salt these a little bit of kosher salt. Stick them with one like this. I think that's a little bit better. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, now I have some fresh ground pepper. I'm always having a problem opening this stuff. Okay. Okay, so I just want to ground some pepper on top of here. Okay, now I'm gonna flip these over and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add some kosher salt to this other side. And we wanna grind some more pepper. Okay, so Now what I want to do is place these in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 minutes. All right, so while the potatoes are in the oven, I'm going to fry up about 4 to 5 slices of bacon until they're crispy. Alright, so while these potatoes are baking, you want to fry your bacon on low heat. Get those flipped. Now Leroy is good and hot. Alright, we're just gonna let that cook until they're golden brown and crispy. Okay, so while the potatoes are in the oven, my bacon is done. So what I want to do is take off these little fatty ends of the bacon because I don't want to use those. I'm just gonna take those off. And we're just gonna crumble up our bacon because we're gonna top the potatoes off with the bacon and add some cheese, and then we'll be almost done. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of that. Let's get rid of that little fat piece. And we just wanna crumble this up. There's another little fatty piece there. You can get it as small as you like or as big as you like. Okay, got that all crumbled up. All right, so these potatoes have been in the oven for about 25 minutes. So now all I want to do, I haven't measured it out. It may be about 2/3 cups maybe of cheese, but I just want to place cheese on top of each slice of potato. And I need some more cheese too. Okay, I'm gonna get these all covered up. All right, so now we're gonna use that bacon that we crumpled up earlier, and we just want to put a couple of pieces on each slice. And you can also use turkey bacon if you like. All right, so now what we're gonna go ahead and do is put these back in the oven for about 5 more minutes until all that cheese is melted. All right, so these potatoes, I put those back in the oven for about 5 minutes until the cheese is melted. So now what I want to go ahead and do, and these smell so good, is just sprinkle a little bit of Italian seasoning on top. That's all you have to do. Just a little bit. Try to get it on all the slices. Ooh, it smells good. And I also just want to garnish it with a little green onion. There you have it. And you can serve these with sour cream, ranch, whatever you want to serve it with. All right, y'all, so I have the potatoes on my little serving dish. I have some sour cream. And like I said, you can serve these with ranch dressing, blue cheese, whatever you want to serve it with. But there you have it. And I do want to thank you guys. Please like and subscribe and enjoy. And until next time, bye.